Everyone, we are going to solve if a power x plus y is 8, a power x minus y is 2, find a power x and a power y. So let's start with today's video solution. So I'm consider this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So if I'll multiply both the equation, we get a power x plus y times a power x minus y is equals to 8 times 2. According to exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. So a power x plus y plus x minus y is equals to 16. So a power, this y will cancel out, 2x is equals to 16, or a power 2x is equals to 4 square. So we can say that a power x is equals to 4. Now put the value in equation number 1. So it becomes 4y, 4 power y is equals to 8. Now if I take log on both sides, log 4 power y is equals to log 8. According to log rule, log a power b is equals to b log a. So it becomes y log 4 is equals to log a. So we can write it as y log 4 as use base 2. So it becomes 2 square is equals to 2 cube. Now it becomes y 4y is equals to 8, or y is equals to 8 by 4. And you can write this from here. Log 2 power 2 y is equals to log 2 cube. So it becomes 2 power 2y is equals to 2 cube. Now if we compare both sides, 2y is equals to 3, y is equals to 3 by 2. So these steps make it easier to find out the value of y. Now a power x is equals to 4 and a power y, if we write, a is 2. So 2 power 3 by 2 and 2 power 3 by 2 is equals to 2 power 3 times 1 by 2. So a power y is equals to 2 cube is 8 power 1 by 2. So a power y is equals to square root of 8. This is the value of a power x and this is the value of a power y. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any difficulty related to any math question, you can comment down your question. Thank you so much for watching this video.